2016 we bought a boat we aptly called Mood Swings, primarily as a platform to film our online fishing courses and to travel to remote fishing destinations. Our latest journey heading south was plagued by mechanical issues, but not to be deterred, we decided to head north after the repairs and put up with the challenges associated with monsoonal weather. Hi, I'm Ryan Moody, this is my wife Karen, our 2 sea dogs, me mate Maxie, and our fishing weapon, the blue boat. Join us on our northern adventure as we have a few dramas, see some amazing locations and catch some great fish, heading north to Lizard Island and beyond.
So, another beautiful day in paradise.
But we've spent 12 days here now in Watson's Bay.
Our last day in Watson's Bay. We're going to head off.
Yeah, we're going to spend about 3 or 4 days to Cooktown. We've got to get down there before around about the 3rd of January. We've got some weather events coming, and even the weather experts don't know exactly what's happening. Is it this big lows are going to spin up? Is the low in the Gulf going to come this way? All sorts of variables. But if not, if we don't get them, we're going to get big northwesterlies for about 5-6 days, which limits a lot of stuff up here. So anyway, we're going to make our way back to Cooktown, restock. The dogs are whinging, they want to be fed.
He picked up the dog bowls and then we decided to record this.
Not a good idea.
Obviously not happy.
No.
But it's been a wonderful time here in Watson's Bay. I've really enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Our neighbours have just headed off. We had nibblies with them. We had other neighbours we had dinner with, cooked up an absolute amazing spread. So it's been a nice little boat community.
Yeah, it's good catching up with old boaties. We met some old friends and stuff we put up with before, and plenty of new ones.
The oldies, we gave them some fish, and
some of them live on our doorstep back in Cairns.
Yeah.
So it'd be good to catch up with them too.
So walking on the beach here every day, and the boats anchored in close proximity, you meet new friends, which is wonderful.
Anyway, we're going to get going. We're going to go around the top end of the island, and we're going to keep heading south down towards south direction, and probably overnight at Rocky Isles tonight.
Do some more snorkeling. The snorkeling here has been amazing. The reef here, the green zone reef here at Watson's Bay, beautiful coral. It is littered with trout. Littered.
Like it used to be back in the late 80s.
Yeah. So, and clams. Huge, big, giant clams. So if you ever get to come to Lizard Island, which you can do in a small boat, there's 2 boats over there, about 6.5, 7 metres that are camping.
One of them's 5.5.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Another 2 of our neighbours camping on the beach came over in a smaller boat. So it is very possible to get here if you pick your good weather. And there's water on the island. There's a pump with water.
Campsites which you can book.
Campsites, barbecue.
But just bring a good extra tarp with you.
Yeah, in case it rains.
In case it rains, especially this time of year.
Anyway, we've got to get the boat ready for departure and feed the dogs before I get whinged at anymore. And goodbye Watson's Bay. We have loved every minute here. Even though the weather hasn't been so crash hot, it's been wonderful just relaxing and exploring this part of the island and watching the amazing scenery. It's just so pretty here. Anyway, onward and outward.
Yeah, not downward.
I was going to say upward, but that doesn't apply either.
All right, let's get going.
Can't see out the front hatch, babe.
No, can't see past the washing.
Well, it's been raining for so many days that we just put everything up here. That towel's probably dry, but everything else will still be wet. So we'll hang it downstairs.
We've got everything out of the rain. Rods.
Yeah, the rod's up here. Undies on the gear stick. We've definitely moved in.
Yeah. It's a bit of a shit fight at the moment. Just say goodbye to all the neighbours. We've met some really wonderful people here and some old friends as well we've caught up with before up here in Hope Islands and other places, so it's amazing where you bump into people again.
Well, we've definitely explored what's his bay, baby.
We have, haven't we?
Ah, that's better.
That's better.
So we have arrived in the stunningly beautiful Blue Lagoon, where we spent our first night on Lizard Island. It's not boat maintenance, it's real maintenance.
Yeah.
What do they say? Having a big boat is going to exotic places while you do maintenance on it.
Yeah.
Something like that. So Ryan's doing some maintenance and do some fishing and see if we can get some more fish. Fresh fish. We've almost run out of fresh fish. We've been eating fish for a week though. What do you reckon, Moo?
I knew the heat was going to be insane today, but we had to give it one last go. Boy, didn't we pay for it later. Ah, come on. Come on, don't make it hard for everybody and the sharks will eat you. Come on, if you create all that noise down there, you're going to get eaten. And we don't want that. Oh, thumping. Might be a...
Baby, if you lose this, I'm going to cry.
You're going to cry. Come on. It will be in a minute. If it doesn't hurry up and come up. Yeah, no, I got him here, GT. Woo. Woo. Not a monster, but oh, these things are bad enough. All right, nice little GT on the levitator, getting back in the water. There he goes. Hi guys, did you know that we have comprehensive fishing courses and free fishing training over on our website, Ryan Moody Fishing. I've been a fishing guide for over 30 years, catching thousands of trophy fish for clients. And I include all the tricks and tips in my fishing courses. So if you'd like to have me mentor you and join thousands of happy students catching better fish faster with our Fish Smarter fishing courses, be sure to head over to the website after the video. Tight lines. Oh no, I hope it's not another GT. No more trevally. I think this is a GT, it's a bit different. Okay, got some colour. Yeah, another GT, I think. Man, there must be millions of them down there. Whew. How steamy.
How steamy is it?
Oh, yeah, another GT. Oh, man, that's painful. That is painful. GT number 2. There he goes. Oh, I've had enough of them already. I might go and find another spot that doesn't have trevally all over the top of it. Oh. I think I got a nice trout. I
hope so.
A bit to start with, but dead weight now. I know. The spangled.
What's trying to eat it?
Cod trying to eat it. No.
I wonder if I got that on film. Oh no.
Oh, if it's not GT's breaking my back, it's a big cod. It's alright, he spat it out.
Spat it out.
And he'll probably come back on it. Whew.
Oh, you got him.
I jigged him on the top of the head. There's that many bloody fish down here, that's what's happening.
He's not happy. He's been crushed, has he?
Oh, he should be alright.
No?
It doesn't look very lifelike, baby.
No, he's good.
He's good?
Yeah. Got him in a bad spot though, and he's been sucked on by a cod.
Yeah, he got mangled. Sorry, fella.
I didn't think it'd take long for that greedy cod to take one of our jigs. Sure enough.
Oh my God! He's 6 feet long.
Right, just getting the air out of this sucker. He's got a belly full, and boy, don't it stink. Officially the biggest fish ever caught on a levitated jig.
Yeah.
Smelly. Whoa. Baby diaper smelly. See how he goes. Come on, buddy.
He's going down. Go, Stinky. Come on, buddy. Don't stop now.
Yeah, they're hard as all hell, those things.
You're like the fish surgeon.
He had more air in him than some people I know. Hey guys, Ryan here. Sorry to interrupt the video, but I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. I have a small request to help out the channel. Please hit subscribe. It really makes a big difference to how our content gets shared and helps us out immensely. Thanks. So, back to the video. The heat is just insane. Hottest day we've had all trip, especially after fighting a couple of GTs and that big, greasy old cod. Anyway, it was time to have a look around, find a couple more quick spots, see if we can get a few more fish before we get off the water. It is way too hot. Okay, we've just moved in closer to the island. Oh. Dropped in. First drop straight away. Oh, I dropped it again.
Honey bunny.
Got the dropsies.
I don't mean to show you how it's done.
Nah. Not real big.
No.
Might be a little trout. Yeah, nice trout. I'm pretty hungry down there. I had 3 goes before one finally nailed it. Nice eating size, that one. Perfect. A few more of the usual suspects made for a great little session. Good fun though. But we're not going to stay out too long, so I've got time for one more fish before we go and jump in the water and cool off. Nice Chinaman, good fun fish, one of the protected species because the government thinks it gives everybody ciguatera.
Well, you've had ciguatera and it wasn't pleasant.
No, but these are deep water fish and I know people have eaten heaps of them. And yeah, pretty good. Alright, he's good. After fishing in that sauna, we thought we might go and have one more quick swim to cool off and say goodbye to all our reef-dwelling friends, as we're not sure when we're going to be back in this neck of the woods. This truly is a remarkable place, and such a pleasure to see so much coral and life in the region. Even though I've been a fisherman all my life, I get just as much enjoyment swimming with them as catching them. As you get older, you really do start to appreciate the world in which we live and share with some incredible creatures. For me, gone are the days of filling the esky to the brim, and after just getting enough for our immediate needs, we go in and take in what else our tropical paradise has to offer. Join us in the next episode where we continue on our offshore adventure. In the meantime, for fishing tips, workshops and fish planner tuition, visit our free training page at ryanmoodyfishing.com. There's a link to the gear and tackle we used on this trip below the video, and to follow along here for the rest of the trip, please like and subscribe, and we will catch you in the next episode.